niya, huwag kayo mag-away. Tapos if gano'n, no, kasi hindi ako pinapost ng jowa ko. Sige, ako mag-post sa kanya, tapos away pala. Away post pala. This is for my jowa na hindi pala appreciation
Grabe, wag
post.
naman yun.
Wag
Baka
naman
may
ganun.
influence na sila.
Oo, no.
Pero I think na bago kayo mag-away, kausapin mo lang ng maayos na
True.
you know, it would make me really happy na i-post mo ko and
Yeah.
like let people know that you're proud that I'm your girlfriend, ganun. And like sana kung magalit siya, yun na yung parang doon ako ma-off. Like if magalit ka na parang ayoko nga mag-post like ganun. Like sana naman na parang may reasonable explanation instead of getting mad. Kasi if nagalit siya, it's like may tinatago.
Or tsaka, I mean, cause you as a person, you're just communicating your feelings. So parang it would hurt din na I'm just trying to relay what I feel, but you're mad at me. So in a way na you feel invalidated when, you know, you could just talk it out and understand each other, kung saan kayo nanggaling, but ganito yung reason.